Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Myself Mitlesh, and today we'll talk about pybind11 part 3. So guys, in my previous video I have showed you how you're going to be write the logic into a C++ and how you're going to be use the logic into a Python so that you can make your Python program more efficient and more faster. So guys, so it is possible due to pybind11. So guys, what if there is thing like which allow you to wrap the complete C++ logic into a Python package? Don't you think guys it sounds awesome? Yes guys, you guys can do it if you want. Okay, so I'm going to be show you today how you're going to be write a setup.py file so that you can wrap the C++ logic into a Python package so that you can use that package dynamically into your Python code. Okay guys, so let's dive into the code. So I'm opening my IDE. Okay guys, so you guys can see here I have a main CPP file here where I have written the logic of some prime numbers. So I have writing a complete package of the Python where I'm just trying to do some operation with the prime numbers. So you guys can see here there is prime, prime at, next prime number, previous prime number between, like you can pass some range and it will show you the number available between this particular ranges, and those numbers are prime numbers. Okay guys, so you guys can also check out like the prime number up to random prime number. Okay, so once I'm done with the writing with the complete logic of the Python and complete logic of the C++ of the prime numbers logic, whatever I just want to be do different operations with the prime number, you can just write the things and you can just wrap the things into the pybind11 module. Okay guys, so once you are going to be done with these things, okay, you just need to be create a setup.py. So I have already created my py file here. Okay, for that you need a pybind11. So guys, it's a very easy thing to install it. Just fire the pip install pybind11 and it will install the pybind11 for you guys. Okay, so now you're going to be mention the version of your package. You need to be pass the package name here, and here you have to be pass the main cpp file. So this is my C++ file name guys. You can see main cpp file is my here. Okay, you need to be just pass the name of this file to setup.py. So setup.py will be take care of the things like from where it will take all the logics, okay, and how you're going to be wrap the things into the pybind11. After that, in the setup.py, like I'm going to be write a setup. Okay, so setup is nothing but a complete detail about your package and about yourself as well. Okay, so here I'm just passing the name as a serial, the version. You guys pass here your name as the author, your email ID, description about your package. You can also pass the long description if you want to specify a description about each and every function about your like library or your module. You guys can do it here. Okay, so once you are done with the complete the setup.py, you need to be install it. Okay guys, so how you're going to be do it? For that we need a terminal. Okay guys, for this piece of code I will share the link into my description. Okay guys, you can just go through it, and if you want to check, you guys can. Okay, so for now what we are going to be doing here, before I am going to be install it, let me show you like is this package already installed or not. So here I haven't installed this package, so let me see if I am able to import it or not. So let's try to import it. So you guys can see it will raising an error because we know that we haven't installed it. Okay, so module not found error should be normal for us. Okay, so how we are going to be fix it? Okay, so what we are going to be do here, we are going to be install this package. Okay, so sudo, so setup.py file is a Python file. Okay guys, so I'm using Python 3 here, like setup.py. Oh guys, after setup.py you can pass build if you want to build your package. If you want to install, you guys can pass install. So as of now we are going to install this package, so let's pass install. Okay, so start installing guys. Okay, let's see if everything will be go smooth and everything is looks fine, then it will able to install the thing. Okay, so you guys can see now my package is generated and the version is 0.01. okay, so let's see are we able to import it or not. So let's check it now, Python 3, and now I'm going to import serial as C. Wow, we are able to import it guys, so it installed it successfully. Now let's check all functions are there or not. Yes guys, it is there. You guys can see it like my functions are available here as prime, prime number, next prime, prime at up to. Okay guys, so let's try to take the advantage of this prime logics. So I'm just passing here. Okay, I'm passing 3 here, true. Let's pass 4, false, right, it is working properly. Now let me check c dot prime at, so we'll check at 9999. Awesome, it is working guys. Now let's check this. Looks fine till now. 50. Great. So are we able to get that? Okay, so I have just passed the range and I get all the prime number between those ranges. So let's check the next prime logic. Let's pass 3. That's 7. Let's check the previous one. 3. Great, looks good. Now let's check the random prime number. So again I'm going to be passed like 3 to 35, 13, 31. Yes, we guys are able to use all the functionality whatever we have written into a C++. So guys, you guys can see here, like you can write a setup.py and whatever the logic you have written into a C++, you guys can wrap it into a Python package. Okay guys, so this is it from this video. I hope you guys like it. If you guys like it, please do like, share and subscribe this channel guys. I hope I will get a like from you guys, and if you want to be do any kind of comments or you want to be suggest anything to me, so guys, you're welcome. You guys can do it. Okay guys, thank you, thanks a lot. See you in the next video.